Watch. Watch. Right now, nation people. The man them are called Masicka coward. Me don't know how. Yo. Them claim some Masicka run from Alkaline. But we don't know why them are going run and spread them messages, is it? Them skin and itch them ego for a war, then dying for kick off. But here we are going. Them are go about it the wrong way, the wrong way. You can't style Masicka as coward, my brother. Because Alkaline go a one swamp, go a pose. You see what I say? Yeah. And I write numbers. You can't put that on Masicka. So right now, don't see the thing I go. Just remember who in the high demands right now. Just remember say Masicka no need a clash from Alkaline, you know. For stay relevant now at in a dance hall, you know. Masicka do that off him own skill, you know, my brother. And dominate like that, you know. No joke shit no dead about it, you know. So I don't know what the fuck I go on. But here I go on. I'm telling you the truth. You see, if Alkaline don't forward out and claim him at this Masicka outright, him not gonna get no without clash. And that are just real fact. No games thing not dead about it. You know, him not forward out. And this blood clot Masicka outright. No clash him. I'm not asking you, tell me I tell you no. Because Masicka don't need that. Right now in his career, to you see, Masicka career are going. Remember Masicka have the #1 song in Jamaica for around 3 weeks now, you know. You see what I say? Yeah, and I clock up certain chart, you know. You know really to see Alkaline on them level there, you know. So him need Masicka, you know. Masicka don't really need him right now, you know. You see what I say? Plus Masicka line up for drop a big album again, you know. You see what I say? So the dog can easy well sidestep that. But I know if him go to him way and call Masicka name, then I know it's a serious problem. You know what I mean? Or if him go to him way for even try for this Masicka, certain type of way. You see what I say? Where everybody can point out and say, well then, yo, you know what Masicka the dog have violate? A different thing. When I go on a swamp, go pose up and do no fuck with my brother and people are chat this and I chat that and I act like you do something. You don't do nothing, my brother. You know what I mean? No joke shit not there about it. No gimmicks thing not there about it. Remember, you know, for sure say how the man them chat, you know, and love the fucker, you know. Watch this. Watch this. Masicka, you know, want a clash from Alkaline back now the days and the man run from the man sidestep the man, say the man a little bit, see? Gage want the same thing and him say the same thing. Tommy Lee gonna find for around 2 years straight and the dog do the same thing. Me never soon have the same energy on the internet now, nothing like that. All of a sudden the man must go on blood clot lake, blood clot swamp. And only claim say, well then in this Masicka must answer. Yo, you know weird, my brother. Let me tell you this. It now go like that because let me tell you something. You see where hotness in a dance hall, hardcore dance hall is Alkaline name now sparks there, so right now. That no means him is not a good artist. Him just not hype right now and that are the natural fact. That are the no gimmicks thing. You see me? Where hotness there, the dog not dead. You see what I say? Yeah, Masicka them a blaze the trail and a set the split with a look of young youth them. You see what I say? So right now, you know, if you know, him you know, no forward out, you know, and this Masicka outright, you know, my brother. We not going to see no war, you know, all we're going to see are just some chatting thing on the internet, just like where you see some vlogger go on with and make it seem like, say, well then, yo, something are going on. You know what I mean? No joke shit not there in my game. No lollipop thing not in it. The man them for stop them shit there. A full time now. You know what I mean? And call out, if you have to call out artists, you call them out for where them blood clot do. Because by right, the man now bomb clot sparks. You see what I say? Or some little sneaky thing you do and think that can pull out Masicka in a clash. No, dog. Right now, if Alkaline did act certain way, it wouldn't have to do all that stupidness there. Yeah, man, if him did act certain way, I wouldn't have to do that. I don't lie, me I tell, I don't lollipop thing. Everybody don't know that, my brother. I don't know how people go like them want to hide it. I want to hide what I go on. I want to chat some different fuckery. You see what I say? Tell the man for forward out and this Masicka if him this the man, my brother. You see what I deal with? Big man Leo Messi starting at every blood clot store now. I say it I go. Yeah man, I saw when you're big no blood clot. No gimmicks bumbo clot thing in a 8 nation people. You see what I say? You want bumbo clot. Say you want Ross clot clash. And you go a swamp. Ross clot. Go like say. Yeah, do something. If you do something, you'd go in the blood clot swamp. You know, if you go in the blood clot search and tell the people them say right now, they search out the swamp and the Ross clot crooks them are gonna hide. You see what I deal with? You don't stay on blood clot land and run your blood clot mouth. And people chat fuck it. Like you don't do nothing. You see what I say? Yeah man. If you don't want a war that way, you don't have to go fight. If you don't have to go fight that way, there's no war food. I tell you that. Yeah, cause that can't make that not gonna make Masicka forward out. No joke shit no dead about it. You have to go do something. You see what I say? Personal. You see what I say? Where it can't hide. You see what I deal with? Where down to the blind man can't see it. I know say well then a Masicka you deal with. You see me? I make the blood clot. I make the crooks them run out. You see it? No joke shit no dead about it. The type of lollipop thing they not go work. And for all of who I run in the mouth, yo, I know I don't want the clash, you know. You see what I say? I'm big up Pelpa time. Because I see Pelpa time have it lock where a clash them are dealing with. You see what I say? But the clash now can't start like that, my brother. You know what I mean? We don't have to go tell Alkaline for brave up. You see what I say? Yeah, remember. Him need a clash. Masicka don't need that blood clot. Because I don't ever Masicka need nor want. You see what I say? Masicka thing shot right now. No gimmick thing that about it. From the last 5 years, Masicka been blazing up the blood clot place. Wicked. You see what I say? Alkaline light kind of dim right now. No joke shit not about it. No gimmick thing that in my game. So, just make the dog know. Say if a clashing thing you don't want, if a clashing thing you don't want, just make certain him know what to do. The little shades business where I'm going with, you better put that pan a lamp. That not gonna work. You see what I say? No joke shit not about it. You have to go attack the genocide artists differently. No games thing that you know it. You think you can attack the man that stupid way that you attack the man and people are chat fuck about this and that. And I saw them think they're my brother. You can't clash the man like that. You know what I mean? You go after the man some girl child way. You see what I say? And I say you go off a bad, and I say you go, and I saw you go off a bad artist when you don't want to clap. No joke shit not there about it. Yeah, you have to cut out the girl child way. And attack the man like a real man, a real soldier. You see what I say? And stop attack the man like some bait, some girl, you know what I mean? Stay one side. and I throw some more than them shit there. It don't look good. It doesn't fit dancehall. Tell you the truth, it smells stink. Because I never lie with you. It smells up the whole blood clot place. So that's why I see everybody around with it. You see what I say? Yeah man, no joke shit not there about it. You know what I mean? Let me tell you something. If Masicka know say right now, if I get a youth a clash, it after I go transpire upon the stage. You know, I go just give him no hype back in a dancehall like that. And that's how this thing go. You see what I say? He's supposed to work for where he want. No joke shit not there about it. He's supposed to work for where he want. You can't want it so easy, my brother. You see me? No joke shit not there about it. How easy I want it. Eh? You can't want it so easy, my brother. No joke shit not there about it. Put in some work for it. Go out there, go violate the genocide artist, make we see how tough it is. You see what I say? Because all in the day they chat and I go on, but yo, him not hide from him clash a whole heap of artists, so we can't say him coward. The blood clot, he run 2 years straight, the man I run from Tamale. What kind of fuck you not tell us? What, you hear that? Eh? Him dodge gears and him hide from Masicka. What the bumbo clot doing? Go on and say to me. Eh? What kind of games thing on the depot? Yo, tell Alkaline if him want a blood clot clash right now from Masicka, all them have to do is forward out and violate the genocide artist or violate the blood clot crocodile. You see what I say? And then we can say if Masicka not answer, we can say well then, yeah, in coward. I him no want Alkaline. You see what I say? Yeah. But now come with no look of fuck when a man go on a blood clot swamp and a forward out and a act like so well then a Masicka fuck up the war and a Masicka no want the war. You know what I mean? No games thing that in it, you know. You know the general, you know, the 10-star one. And you know when I represent, you know it go already. A Gaza way. There ain't no other way. A 10-star general. What? Nation people. Oh.